Hey guys, this is Landry from Know Informatics. I'll be showing you a quick tutorial video on how to change your layout in Sprout. So first of all, you would have been logged into Sprout and you have run your report. Then you can go to layout and right click on default. This will give you the options to edit the layout that you have or to create a new layout. Let's say new layout. So at name you can choose your own name, let's say new, and this will give you the options to choose what you want to be visible in the layout. Let's say name, contact person, account, title and telephone, and we only want to see physical 1, 3 and 5 but underneath a heading. So at heading we would say physical at 1, 3 and 5, and we will remove the captions. And don't forget to also mark them to be visible. Then say accept. If you go to layout and you drop down on default, you would say the layout that we just created will be at new. Also then it will give you the options to edit. So if you right click on the default and you say edit, then you can edit the layout. Let's say you want account to be first, then you click on account and you press the upward buttons and account move up. Let's say you want contact person to be above telephone, so you click on contact person and you click the downward button and contact person move to telephone. Then say accept. This will then automatically move from account, telephone and contact person. That is that. Thanks for watching.